A very good morning to our chief guest, Dr. Tiju Thomas, our CEO, Dr. Shiv Kumar, our principal, Ms. Chitra Sharma, our SFO, Mr. Govind Nayak, our SAO, Mr. Ashok Palya, our AO, Mr. Viru Paksha, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I stand here today before you, humbled by the beauty before me and all the trust that you bestowed upon me. I thank from the bottom of my heart the CEO, the principal, the supervisors, the teachers, the support team, and last but not the least, my dear friends for all the support that you've given me in the past 4 years, and yes, this year as well in the election process. I congratulate the student council members for their achievements, and I look forward to working with you all in the months ahead. I take pride mentioning that our school, JSS Private School, is growing so rapidly, and we're all geared up to face the challenges that come along with its rapid growth. JSSPS has carried on so well because of the vision and the skill of the management team, and also because of we the students have stayed true to its ideals and founding documents. So it has been, and so it must be in this year of JSSIS too. Please note, especially my friends of grade 10, 11 and 12, I know it's fact that we're still young, we are still very young. But in the words of scripture, it is time we set aside childish things. It is time we reaffirm our enduring spirit to choose our better history, to carry forward that precious gift, that noble idea that all of us are free, all of us are equal, to go ahead and pursue our dreams with full extent of happiness and do our best in academics and extracurricular activities as well. All this we can do, and all this we must do. In my election speech this year, I had given a lot of importance to rest. Now, I'm not talking about the normal resting we all talk about. Rest is a word that I coined to remember 4 important pillars to a good education. R stands for responsibility, E for education, S for skills, and T for time management. So let's take a note today, and in fact every day, that we shall strive to do our best to hone our talents, intellects and skills, so we can help ourselves and our friends to make this world a better place. Friends, don't let your failures define you. Help them teach you. Just because you're a troublemaker or just because you make trouble in classrooms, that doesn't mean that you're a big-time troublemaker. You just need to work more hard to act right. Just because you get a bad grade doesn't mean you're incapable. It just means you need to spend a little more effort and a little more time in studying. And no one's born good at all things. You become good at things only through practice. You're not a varsity athlete the first time you start sprinting. You're not Michael Jackson, for example, when you start singing for the first time. It's the same with your schoolwork. You need to practice. Say for example, a math problem. You need to practice a little to become an expert in mathematics. And don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Asking for help is not a sign of weakness. Please, that's a big misunderstanding. It's in fact a sign of strength that you have the ability to admit when you do not know something. And this in turn will help you learn something new. So take the help of a counselor, a teacher, a coach or your parent to help you stay on track to meet your goals. Our challenges may be new. The instruments with which we encounter them may be new. But what is required of us now is a new era of responsibility. That we as students have responsibilities in the shoes of students, for our teachers, for our parents, for the school and for the world to make it a better place. This is the price and promise of citizenship. This is what gives us confidence that God calls upon us to shape an uncertain destiny. So let us mark this day with remembrance of who we are and how far we have traveled as Jesuitites. Dear friends, just bear in mind, life has two rules. Rule number 1, never quit. And rule number 2, always remember rule number 1. Thank you.